Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. I just came in again from the Dollar Tree. So if you have not seen the live from yesterday, go watch it. But come on back because we have so many wonderful finds from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm so excited. So I do have a bunch of crafting things that you can use from the Dollar Tree with your Cricut. It's back there hiding behind the bags. But I am going to throw a little home things that I found in too. But let's just jump into the video because, baby, let me show you what I found and how we can use it. Let's just jump into it. Let's go. Okay. So I'm just grabbing randomly. So if you know me, you know we love us some Dollar Tree, right? So I'm going to show you what I got and how we use it. Please, if you have other ways you use these items or if you know other ways to use it, comment down below and let us all know. Because we don't gatekeep around here. Sharing is caring. So if you see something, let us know. So anywho, one of the things that I got are these flexible cutting mats. These are flexible cutting mats, okay? And I'm going to tell you what we use these for. We can use these for rhinestone templates, housing them and holding them. So I don't know if you do rhinestones, but if you do, or you could use them probably even for screen printing. So if you do screen printing or rhinestones, these hold the templates and these are flexible. Let me open up so I can show you what it looks like. They come 2 in a pack. And I've been using these for years. So you see they're thin. And then what you do is, hold that thought. The templates that you have, you can place them on here. It don't look like much right now. You're probably like, what are you doing, Chonita? But if you know, you know. So these house the templates, okay? These are flexible cutting mats, cooking concepts, okay? And so technically you can put multiple ones on the front and the back, okay? I got a bunch of those. Then I thought these were really cute. I'll probably put this back there somewhere. And then I got one for Maddie because y'all know, y'all niece. If you don't know, I have an 11-year-old daughter named Madison. She gonna want some too. So these are rectangle felt bulletin boards. Okay, but here's the thing. You can do bulletin boards with these, but you know what? You also could put printable vinyl or heat transfer iron-on vinyl on these, and you can design them according to however you want. So I think that would be dope. You could put, oh, excuse me, sorry. You could put rhinestone. I just ate, y'all. I just came from brunch. Sorry, with my boss friend. But you could also put rhinestones. You could put rhinestones. You could put HTV or iron-on vinyl. You could put a bunch of different things on there, and that would be really cute. Now, this is super dope. This is from Crafter Square, the stretch canvas. It's 100% natural cotton canvas. Y'all, we can, y'all see that? We can put printable vinyl on here. And I'm just thinking we could put permanent vinyl, printable vinyl. I'm thinking maybe we will do a project for Father's Day with printable vinyl. And the dad, you know how they do the dad? We could possibly do that. They have these in white too. But for some reason, at the second Dollar Tree, they didn't have them. Because I have something I'm going to do with the white ones as well. But they were all sold out. So, I'm sorry, I'm excited. Let me calm down. But y'all, it's so many ideas that you can do. I had never saw the black one. Let me show you again. I had originally never saw the black one at first. So I was excited when I saw the black one because I'm like, this can be masculine. You know what I mean? I think this could be dope. Father's Day is approaching. So I'm thinking Father's Day, but y'all, you could do something with Christmas on here. You could do something for birthdays, for Mother's Day. It doesn't have to be just Father's Day, but in my mind, that's the next big holiday. One of the next big holidays. So that's where my mind is, okay? And I am going to do a separate video, a full video using my Cricut Maker 3 back there, using that. So you guys will see. And then I grabbed some pillowcases. Now, y'all know I stay with the pillowcases from the Dollar Tree, but these were some new ones. These, I hadn't seen these before. These are luxury home pair, 2 pillowcases, 20 by 30 inches, and it's 100% polyester. Okay, so I'm excited to see how these press because these, I typically get the satin ones. So I don't know how new these are, but I had never seen them. So I'm excited about that. Ooh. Now, this thing I just grabbed, I'm really excited about this. And make sure you guys are commenting and leaving your suggestions and different things down below. Okay. This is a ceramic block. I don't know about you, but I don't like the way ceramic feels. And even a noise, oh, it just does something to me. But it's a ceramic block. I'm going to show you. And this was from the plus sections, $3. But let me show you, or let me talk to you about what I think we could do with this. I thought this was really dope, especially for Father's Day. But as I'm thinking about it, it could be for baby showers or anything, especially because this is black. But what I'm thinking is we could put removable or permanent vinyl on here, but we also could put printable vinyl or even sticker paper with photos of dad. So you may put like, we love you, dad, or I love you, dad, his name. And then you could put pictures of you and him, or you, his, either a family, whomever is in your family, or if you're getting it for somebody else, pictures of them and their family around. So we would have to measure each square and then put the printable vinyl or the vinyl or whatever on each one of these. But wouldn't that be cute? I thought that would be nice. And it's ceramic, so it's hard, it'll last, and your dad could put it in his office at work or wherever, or your mother if it's for Mother's Day or Christmas or a new baby. It could be something that you get for someone that's just having a baby shower gift, a first birthday gift, etc. And then, of course, because it's a block, you put the alphabet. You can decorate it according to the decor of any type of party, a graduation party. I just think the possibilities are endless with this because it's literally a clean slate. And I was like, for $3, we could get real crafty. You know what I'm saying? So I thought this was really dope. And it's ceramic. Super cute. But I have so many ideas. Please drop some other ideas that you're thinking of. We could put rhinestones on it. Y'all always love some rhinestones, bling. It could just be really, really bomb. So that's really, really cute. Let's see this. Okay. And then this is a makeup sponge with the case. All right. And I thought this was super. First off, this is just super cute, right? And I was thinking that we could put vinyl on here. So this is the name, but you could put vinyl on here. It could be a bridesmaids, a bride's gifts, anything. But you know what? On a live, people said that you could bling these out. So how adorable. You can put printable. You can put printable vinyl. You could put removable vinyl, permanent vinyl, bling. I just think it's so many ideas that you could do with this. And I think this is super cute, but especially like for somebody's birthday, for a bride, a bridal party, a bridal shower, something to, you know, put your little makeup or whatever on. I think that was super duper cute. And thanks for on the live saying to put bling on there because bling just makes everything better. And then, hold on, y'all. Oh, okay. There's some more stuff. Where the rest of my bags? But these are super cute. And I put the Q-tips inside of here. However, we talked about spray paint. Well, I talked about spray paint the top of these, bling in the top of this out. You can put permanent or removable vinyl on the front. You could put this in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your bedroom. It could house so many different things, but these are super duper cute. And the tops, because they are the Dollar Tree, they are kind of cheap. So when I opened it on the live yesterday, I scratched the top. So you want, oh, y'all see my eyes? Oh, that looks creepy. If y'all new here, y'all, I'm sorry. This is just my personality. But anywho, you could spray paint the tops to match decor. You could put peppermints in it. You could put this at your, like, say if you're a teacher, you could do this as a teacher's gift, and you could bling it out and put permanent or removable vinyl on there, and you can put it as the teacher. So if they have like peppermints or gum or candy or whatever, it could be like a candy jar. It could be used for bathroom essentials to glam up your bathroom. I mean, possibilities are endless, but I thought this was super cute. And yeah, y'all, I thought that was really nice. Hold up. It is lidded plastic jar. I'm trying to get it so y'all could see it. Lidded plastic jar. Okay. But I thought this was dope. And then we talked about another blender makeup sponge. You could bling it out for, like I said, bridal parties, birthday parties, somebody who loves makeup, a birthday gift. You get them a gift card to Sephora, Ulta Beauty, or MAC, or the Lip Bar. Shout out to Detroit. And then bling it out, get their favorite color, because these come in different colors, and just get really creative with it. And actually, it's enough space where if you wanted to, you could put permanent or removable vinyl on there. It's enough space on the handle. Then these, y'all, these were so cute. So I found these yesterday, and now I've traveled to 2 different Dollar Trees, and I've not found them. I'm gonna have to go back to the original Dollar Tree, because baby, these canvas bags right here are the bomb.com. So it has a zipper. And we talked about putting iron-on vinyl, bling. I even thought later on I can put embroidery on here. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I only grabbed a few yesterday, but like I said, I go back to another one. They only have one black, but this is the information crafter square canvas bag. So you guys can see that. And from what I saw, they had black, and then they had the natural, the natural tote bag. And then they have, these are the straps. So I did verify that my phone, I have the iPhone Max Pro, and this is the outer box. I did verify that it can fit in here. And so you put your phone, your keys, let's say you're going for a walk, your credit cards, some lip gloss, you on your way, okay? And then it hangs, ignore my trash down here, y'all. It hangs in my crafting stuff. It hangs really good over the shoulder, okay? It falls perfectly on my hip, okay? So this is super duper cute. And I'm still trying to find more of these because, baby, okay, super adorable. I want the black one, just plain black. So I gotta find another black one because I want to actually put something on there as well. But I want to keep it just plain black, so I can just throw it on. It could go with everything. Okay. So you guys, it's something else. Give me a second because I have to find. And then I also have some reels that I'll be showing. So make sure you pay attention because I'll be sharing some more things that I didn't get, but I saw there, and I'll be sharing them in shorts. and YouTube Shorts and on my other social media platforms. Okay, which is Do Dream on everywhere. I found this other ceramic block. It has a hole in the inside of it, but it's a ceramic block. Okay, and it's rectangle. And this one was $3 as well. But once again, I'm thinking we can do permanent vinyl, removable vinyl, printable vinyl. We can do bling. We can do all the things on these as well. Okay. Super adorable. And you could use them for all the things and more that I already said. Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, any holiday. It could be a graduation. It could be a prom, send off a prom. It can be a wedding. The possibilities are endless with these. All right. But I thought these two. So these two and then these tote bags. Baby, we winning. Oh, everything is a win. All of these are really, really good. But with those, I think those are really, really helpful. If you think of any ideas that I could do for any of the things that I listed below, please comment down below and let me know. But y'all, check y'all local Dollar Tree and also check online because, you know, they may have them online. I don't know, but I know I need to get some more of these like stat. We're going on a vacation to a beach and like how cute are these with a cute beach dress, some beach. Oh, I had these beach pants. They weren't beach pants, but I made them beach pants. These canvas khaki pants that, oh, I wish I could find some more of those. I need to find some more of those because that would have looked so cute with this, with a cute white shirt, a cute white beach dress. I mean, just so cute. In this color or denim and white, super cute. Now, because I said I would, I am going to share just a couple things and then I'll get off of here. But these are a really good find. Coconut infused exfoliating bath cloths. This is really nice. This is, you see the texture of that? This will clean your back. So hard to reach places, you can clean your back. Okay. And then this is citrus infused exfoliating bath glove. I get bath gloves from them all the time. I love packaged items. So they have the citrus infused one of these as well. Okay. But these are just some exfoliating. Get your skin clear. You know what I'm saying? And popping. But those are just a few things. I'll share a ton more in my actual shorts about other things that I got. But you guys, how y'all feeling about these Dollar Tree finds? How y'all feel about this Dollar Tree haul? Comment down below. Look at the live that I posted yesterday. But yeah, y'all, how y'all feeling? Let me know something. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. If you like this, possibly I could do more, but stay tuned because this is part 1 of the series because everything I show, I'm going to do an individual video on. So even though these are both ceramics, I'll probably do individual videos using my Cricut with it. You can use any cutting machine you have. Shout out to Caesar's Romeo. But yeah, these are just so dope. And I'm going to do a video on all of these. Thinking if I combine them, I'll figure it out later. But this is part 1 of the series. So make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe so you can see the rest of the series. If you guys find some really cool deals at your local Dollar Tree, email me at dodreamon3@gmail.com. And yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, DoDreamer is the handle. TikTok, DoDreamer is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. If y'all see here, hey y'all, love y'all. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.